How to trade players on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you want to transfer or trade your players on FPL, the steps are quite simple. To get started with, go to the website version of your FPL or you could go to its application as well. After that, log in into your account and then go to the fantasy section. Hereby, you must see the option called as transfers. Tap on it. Right below the squad, you will see the type of free transfers that you are available with. It could be a certain number or unlimited in your case. Depending on it, you can trade or transfer the players. First of all, click on the player that you want to trade with and then click on replace. Once that is done, you will enter another page from where, based on the value, you can switch or trade with any player. Then tap on next. After that, if you have available wildcard or free hits, you can use it as well. And then tap on confirm. And just by that, you have successfully traded the player. So this is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, keep watching and do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.